probably there.
Oh my
I
God.
know they did. I know they did.
Idiots.
He's a guy that's, man, he's had a great summer, as they all have. Again, I go back to that. They've had a really good summer, but he's been a guy that's really stood out, and excited to see the role he's gonna fall into. Usually, it all works itself out. You know, you get
98% hot, still at 31, and it's that last horseshit. That's what it is.
yeah.
That's a treasure.
Well,
it's a
particularly testy press conference.
yeah, of course.
And they're not unique to college football.